Hi everyone, James at BitPay here at the Consensus booth for 2019. I'm here with Federico Molina, Head of Marketing for Decentraland, one of the coolest projects here at Consensus. You just came off of a panel talking about Decentraland. Tell us a little bit about it.
Decentraland is a virtual world where people can, so it's divided into 17K parcels. It's a 3D virtual world where people can develop their games, their experiences, and then monetize them.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
So if I'm entering Decentraland, what can I do? You mentioned developing individual games. What are all the possibilities for me as a user, as a player in this world?
Yes, the world is not yet launched, but will launch very, very soon. But people can start already developing into them. There's mainly two ways that people can develop. Okay. One is using our drag and drop editor, which is aimed towards people that don't have the programming skills or the artistic skills.
That would be me.
So so it's called the Builder, and people can visit it on builder.decentraland.org. And the other one is the SDK, which is aimed towards developers, which opens up the possibilities really a lot. And what's cool about this is that you can mix both of them. You can create your scene on the Builder, like your foundations, and then you can export it and continue it on the SDK.
Brilliant. So what do you envision for Decentraland? I mean, it sounds like this is a place where we can basically go and build the virtual world that we've all been dreaming about forever. How do decentralized apps play into that?
So what's really cool about Decentraland is that everything that you have on it, every item, like in the traditional gaming world, it's essentially yours, and we cannot take it away from you. It's using the NFT technology, basically. So I think that's pretty cool, yeah. And I expect a whole economy to be created around that.
Are you planning to build anything in Decentraland? What do you have in mind?
For sure, yeah. But I haven't decided yet, but I will for sure build something.
Nice, I'm opening a restaurant. We'll see, I don't know what kind of theme I'm going to go for. But you recently launched avatars. That's a new feature. Tell me about how users have been using avatars and some of the newer features you've been deploying in Decentraland.
So avatars, we haven't launched it yet. It will launch in 1 or 2 weeks, but people can start signing up for the release. But basically, it's how you will look inside Decentraland. It's your representation and how people will look at you. So at the start, you will have like facial characteristics, wearables, hats, shoes, whatever, and when you choose that, then you will create your avatar. And what's cool about this is that you will be able to claim your name. So you have to be really fast when it opens, because
first James, first Federico.
Nobody can take it away from you because it's using the blockchain technology.
That's brilliant. Yeah. What are some other kinds of assets or things that using NFT you see a future for on Decentraland? Like names, avatars?
It's really endless, because so you have prices like prices in any game, and even pieces of art in a gallery. And nowadays you can import your CryptoKitties to your scene and place them in a picture frame, for example. Imagine that you will be able to do that with whatever piece of art you own, or any token that you own.
It's great for cat people, great for artists, great for blockchain people as well. So do you have any kind of calls to action or requests for the audience or for the folks here at Consensus about how they can help make Decentraland a reality?
Well, I would encourage them to visit the Builder, visit our avatars page, and if they have CryptoKitties or they have NFTs, start placing them on their scenes.
Brilliant. Well, everyone check out Decentraland, help the project out, and go build a virtual world. Thanks very much, Fede.
Thanks.